like to acknowledge our college president, Professor Charisma Eso Tutalong, for the untiring support to our institution and also to the UDOC for the another third RAMAS 3.0 2024, and good day to each and everyone. This methodology is focusing on a research design, research locale, and respondents of the study is a sampling procedure, data gathering procedure, and the tools. Also, research instrument, validity and reliability, and also the statistical treatment of the data. So agriculture students of SULU State College were the main source of the data, which were quantified to answer the research questions in this study. So library and internet researches and publications were the sources of information that were used to enrich the theoretical and conceptual frameworks of this research. So the data from the respondents were gathered through the use of survey questionnaires. So we have the descriptive correlational, and so we have the 100 students or the respondents, then the non-probability purposive sampling, and also the survey questionnaires, statistical analysis, and this SD and the t-test ANOVA. Assessment of the 5 points Likert scales. So on this, the rating scales interval on respondents extends of the attitudes towards sustainable agriculture concept and the practices among students of School of Agriculture, SULU State College, based on the modified 5 points Likert scales. So we have the result from the gender distribution. So we gathered the 40% male and the 60% female. So on these age distributions, we have the result of under the 20 years old, 20%, 20 to 22 years old, 50%, and also the over 22 years old, we have 30%. On the parents' income distributions, we have the low and the medium and also the high. So from the income, we have this 30% low, then 50% on the medium, and the high is we have the 20%. On the influence of the parents' educational attainment, so the educational level percentage from no education, we have 10%, and the elementary, we have 20%, and the high school 30%, and also the college is 40%. So it is the survey funds that the grateful to their parents' educational and average monthly income. So SULU State College School of Agriculture students generally possess a good degree of understanding of sustainable agriculture concepts. Students' perceptions of sustainable agriculture are greatly influenced by the parental engagement in agricultural as well as the demographic variables like age, gender, and the average monthly income, and also the parents' household. So students also have a positive opinion of the extent to which sustainable agriculture programs address environmental sustainability, social responsibility, and the production efficiency. They also frequently assign to a high to very high degree of agreement to these issues. So we have the high awareness and the positive attitudes indicates effective educations. So also the alignment with sustainable agriculture models. In conclusion, we have, according to the study, parents' educational background and monthly income have a significant impact on the level of understanding that SULU State College School of Agriculture students have a sustainable agriculture. So the participation of parents in agriculture and demographic factors have a decennial impact on students' perception about designation, the result and consistent with earlier research by Ali Bivit and Connors on 2004 and Chen on 23. So from Ohio State University, students evaluate sustainable agricultural programs, including production, efficiency, social responsibility, and environment sustainability. Probably frequently scoring agree or strongly agree. So that is the conclusion. So supports current education effectiveness, recommendation for further educational improvements. And that would be all my presentation. Thank you so much for listening.